If you are wondering if you can get Android 17 update on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer is yes. OPPO promised 5 years of Android updates for OPPO Reno 15. So in theory, since we are starting with Android 16, we should get Android 17 eventually. Now, as I'm recording this video, there is no information at all about Android 17. It is not being rolled out or anything like that. So it's hard for me to tell or even estimate or anything like that when we can expect Android 17 to be released for OPPO Reno 15. But still, it is promised that Android 17, among other further Android updates, they should be available on OPPO Reno 15 as an update at some point. So look for the information, for some official confirmation by OPPO. Hopefully they can release it. And maybe if you are watching this video much later in the future, then the Android 17 might already be available on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.